Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to mute an audio on Invideo. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on the project that we want to edit. So I'm currently on the project right here. And let's say for example that I want to mute coming from this project. So all I have to do is to go here on the editors page. So once you click it, you will see the timeline of your video. So just click the audio that you want to mute. And once you click it, I want you to click this volume and fade that is located on the top screen. And once you click it, you will see that you can edit the audio. Since we want to mute the audio, all we have to do is to drag this audio down. And as you can see right there, the video is now muted, or you can just click this icon right here. And as you can see, the video is now muted, and if we play the video, so there is no sound. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.